Paulie here. I'm watching the Waltons, the best TV show ever on TV, and it is the best show anyone can ever watch. Yes, we're going to use the top half of the Lodge cast iron Dutch oven, and we're going to make some fish. What kind of fish is that going to be? So we'll turn on a little bit of heat while the Waltons are on. I'm going to put it here at about 4. Little lady's running some water in the background. If you hear that, here we are looking at some tilapia. Tilapia is a beautiful fish, very light, not too greasy, just easy to manage and work with. But yeah, let's shake a little shake of garlic on there, and then we'll squirt a little, getting all over the place, of lime juice, and what the heck? Let's get some pepper. You hear the Waltons in the background, right? Greatest show ever. A little bit of salt. Okay, so now we're prepped and ready to fry it in the pan. So with this fish being so thin, and it's easy to cook, so we're gonna, at the same time when you're cooking fish, you want the heat to be hot. You want it to be like about 400 degrees. So we're going to spray a little non-stick. This is the lid part of the Lodge Dutch oven. So let's see if that heats up a little bit. Turn this thing up on high a little bit. Now again, I'm going to repeat. The Lodge cast iron cookware is the best. Made in the USA from East Pittsburgh, Tennessee. And this thing is heating up. You see a little bit of a smoke point coming out. So we're gonna I kicked it down, and we're gonna throw some down on the Lodge. Ooh, that's where you want that. You want that. You want this. Okay, we got this. Folks, we cooking some tilapia on the Lodge cast iron cookware. Meanwhile, I'm going to enjoy me a little glass of this, whatever it is, white wine, whatever. I'm a beer drinker, not so much a wine drinker, but why not? As I said, I'm not a wine drinker, but I'm going to have a little bit right here and right now. While I'm cooking this tilapia, a great piece of fish to cook. Cheers. A little bit too dry. Let's squirt a little oil on the top of these. We're going to do a little flip here. Got a little stickiness. Not a good sign. You don't want the stickiness. Like that one's sticky. Okay, look at that golden. Look at that goldenness. Okay. So now I'm going to get under that one. Flip her over. Beautiful. Beautiful. Alright, let me continue cooking this on one side and have some of that and watch the little Waltons. Nothing better than tilapia, Waltons, and wine. Still watching the Waltons. Still watching the Waltons here. And best TV show ever on TV. I don't care what anyone says, is the best ever. But yeah, looking good. That one kind of fell apart. Don't worry, I'll lick the stuff off the bottom of the pan. Alright, little lady's gonna start on hers. And she's wearing my Detroit Red Wings sweatshirt beautifully. Because she is a queen. I'm not allowed to show her face. Is it good? Mm-hmm. I know it is.
Very good.
I'm gonna get a little taste here. It's just tilapia, man. Tilapia is not a big cut or fillet of fish. Not a whole lot to it. But it makes a turd. Do you love tilapia, little lady? Mm-hmm. Can you little stop me with the camera? Eat a little tilapia? Yeah. Can you do that? Okay. No editing here. Okay. You're gonna see the Detmers eating. You don't have to back up. Show them my true beauty. Come a little closer.
I'll pay you. Oh no, there's no need for that. I'd be happy now. You just finish what you're doing.
I love it.
What needs to be done.
People need to eat more fish instead of meat. That means pork and beef. I'm going to the Philippines, so I might as well adapt. Till next time, I'm Paulie. Cheers out.